Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file directly from Microsoft. This works for both supported and unsupported PCs, and you don't need any third-party tools. Let's get started. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type Windows 11 ISO download. Click on the official Microsoft link. Make sure you always download from Microsoft's website to avoid unsafe files. Once you're on the download page, scroll down until you see the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. This is the option we need. Here, click on the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, then click Confirm. Now select your preferred language like English and click Confirm. After that, you'll see a 64-bit download button. Click on it, and the download will start right away. The file size is around 5 to 6 gigabytes, so it might take some time depending on your internet speed. If you want to make a Windows 11 bootable USB, you should watch this video. Link is in the description, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.